Okay, today she found all my stack of trade plumbers magazines. I like to look at them. They give me a little relaxation because I have a lot of work to do here, and so it's kind of like reading for me to go in those into those kind of magazines. Anyway, but I've had a good idea, and my good idea will be for you to enter my contest. And here's what you have to do, but be very careful and just be quiet when you do it. That is, okay, upload a video of your favorite butt crack photograph. But I mean, not just a photograph. It has to be a video, but it should not be more than 32 seconds long, but it will be better if it's less. And do this before the 14th of March, which is a week from Friday, which today, while I'm saying this, is Friday, but I found out that a lot of times when you're looking at it could be a different day. Anyway, upload a short video of a butt cracks, and then on that Friday we'll choose a winner.